Hey, madoda kubele kwathini? Nimele nezokuthini njengamhlanje nengiqoke ijakhethi.
Abafazi bomuntu.
Hayibo. Francis,
ubaba uthemetheli. Wabona kukuhle.
Manje nifonelene noma kwenzekeni?
Ubaba uthemehleli wathi abafazi bami ngifuna babonakale ngombala. So usibona nje ubaba.
Nibahleke yazi.
Abafazi bendoda. Ubekade etholi
Ayakuthokozela
Black Friday. Utholele for the price of one.
Oh,
Black
Friday.
All
right, I know
Black Friday.
Yeah.
50%.
50%.
Yeah.
Or 2 for the price of one.
Oh.
So what's a buy intenjalo?
I guess.
Manje
no more.
sithi nje kwasaminto yethu balethu
Musana kuyona. Oh, bayithanda isiye.
I
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So MaKhumalo and Macele posted that beautiful video of her and Macele on TikTok, you guys, so wearing the very same clothes, and said that it was her husband's idea, Mzansi, to have them wearing the same clothes. And I must say they look so good. One thing about these two is that they love and appreciate each other, and it's really beautiful to watch. And I cannot wait to watch their new TV show, because obviously this is a publicity stunt to get us to watch their upcoming show, and I must say it is working, you guys. Now please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.